All right, welcome to Classy Tacos. We're gonna get into a little night shoot tonight. So I'm gonna put in Meso's dome and map lights. I really think it should be Meso and not Meso, but whatever, that's just me. So there's like super bright, and I want to do it at night so I can show you the difference between his and then what we have stock. I have the dome and the map lights, so just let me show you what they look like in the box. He does do an awesome job with packaging, so give him props for that. And aside from them being like, super bright, I actually do think they look pretty dope. Before we get them installed, I'm going to shut off the lights in the garage and show you what the stock lights look like. So just in case, this is new, this was pretty new for me too. I don't know if you guys know this. If you walk up to there's a certain setting, if you leave that setting on the center console in the center, you walk up to the truck with your key, the lights will come on. It took me a little bit to figure this out because I was like, man, there's no way I keep leaving these lights on. So if you're going through that, it's because they come up, all right? So as you can see, it is pitch black in here, and I'm walking up to the truck. And that's what it looks like on the inside. I mean, you can barely see anything. All right, so inside, the stock lights. It's at the back seat. Stock lights. In the truck, we're gonna start off up here. So all you're gonna do is just kind of get your fingers back here and pull it down. It sounds crazy, but it's fine. Get that going. Get that front one down just like that. It's always easier. You see these red tabs? That's what's holding it in. It's just easier to do this. You can do it in here, but we're gonna go put it on the bench. It's a lot easier. So, all right. So here we are on the bench. You could do this inside the truck. It's just a little bit easier and kind of show you guys here on the bench. So if you flip this over, you're gonna look right here. You got these two little twist tabs. You're just gonna twist them and get these out, and that's where your bulb goes. So you can pop the bulbs off because we're gonna reuse these right here. And come back in here. We're gonna pop these diffusers off real quick. Whatever you can to get in there. Sometimes, there we go. Nice and easy. Trim tools work great for this because you're not gonna scratch anything up. So those, diffusers are off. So then let's get our Meso kit out. I mean, nice packaging as always. So you can see back in here, this is where it's gonna hook onto the little twist tab. So all you're gonna do is line up, you got your clips right here that, those are like your joints, let's say, and then this is where it actually springs back up. So you just wanna make sure you get this through the hole, right in there. Get this side in first, and then you'll hear the little clips kind of go in, and then a little test. You can hear the switch in there, and if you look, the actual switch is right here, this little guy right here, right there. So let's get this guy in. Again, just want to make sure it is through that hole. Hook that side down, and then clip right here. Boom. There we go. I can hear them both. All right, so we're gonna flip back over. This is why you wanna get them through the holes. You wanna make sure they're poking out just like that, because these can get a little bit difficult to get on. So I'm not really doing a good job, my fingers, of holding this. So what I'm gonna do is kind of keep this nice and low here, and that way I can press that in. Do the same thing over here. Just a pair of needle nose. Hold this in nice and tight, and then press that in. And then we're just gonna come in. Just so you can see where the little clips are. So you're gonna come in and twist. And come in and twist. And just like that, nice clean setup and done. I like the way it looks. Well, we are back in the truck. Let's plug this in first, right here, and turn those off. If we're on, we see that they are working, so I like that. So get these clips back in. can see, they're working. Very nice and very nice. And we're gonna knock out the dome light now. It's a little, let's see. So all I'm trying to do is get the little baby screwdriver in there and saw that, just pop that right off. And then there's like a little release here for this bulb. So we're just gonna push that little release, grab the bulb out. It's a pretty weak little bulb, so it's out nice and easy. It's gonna only go in one way. This is your connection here, slides into bulb spot. So it looks like you want to get the passenger side in first and then push that pin in on the driver. So there's a little kind of hole you want to just kind of work this light into. That's it. Let's see if it works. Yep. And that's your medium, that's your bright. All good. Working. Alright, they just went in. Let me shut off all the lights. We're going to walk up to it so you can see the difference. Alright. Look, you can actually see inside now. It's a huge difference. So here is what they look like. And there's the back seat. You can actually see inside of here now, and this isn't even like that's the brightest setting. It's pretty insane. Gotta wear some sunglasses in here. Alright, we're done. Fairly easy nighttime install. Those lights are super bright. Meso, awesome setup. I appreciate it. No matter what you do, guys out there, hold the line. That's the word of the week is hold, alright? Hold it. You guys be good. Stay safe out there.